Hey there, foodies! Welcome back, where we explore the delicious and fulfilling world of vegetarian living. Seedling today, we're diving into why so many people are switching to vegetarian diets and why you might want to join them. Going vegetarian isn't just about cutting out meat. It's about embracing a lifestyle that's healthier, more sustainable, and packed with endless flavors. So, let's talk about the why and how of making this change. First, let's talk about the health benefits. Studies show that a vegetarian diet can lower your risk of certain chronic illnesses, improve your digestion, and even give you more energy throughout the day. Plant-based diets are naturally rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients, all the things your body needs to thrive. It's all about incorporating more plant-based goodness into your meals. Think fiber, vitamins, and essential nutrients that your body will thank you for. Another big reason people choose vegetarianism? Sustainability. Eating more plant-based meals can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and conserve resources like water and land. Every meal you choose to make vegetarian is a small but impactful step toward protecting our planet. And let's not forget the flavor. A vegetarian lifestyle is an opportunity to explore new ingredients, spices, and cuisines. Trust me, your taste buds will never get bored. So, whether you're curious about going vegetarian or just looking to add more plant-based meals to your routine, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, experiment, and see how it makes you feel. Now, let's talk about the environment. Eating less meat is one of the easiest and most effective ways to reduce your carbon footprint. It saves water, protects forests, and reduces greenhouse gases. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your reasons for considering a vegetarian lifestyle. Until next time, happy eating!